Hi everyone, this is my 1939 Zenith. This has the 8S359 chassis. It's an 8-tube. It's been fully restored, new capacitors, resistors, new line cord, power cord. So we'll turn it on here. Double dial lights. It's got great sound, even on low volume. See the green tuning eye? These are all the automatic channel buttons, so you can go over to automatic mode right here. And you can see all the automatic channels work. It's also got dual shortwaves, so shortwave 1, shortwave 2, and these are all the tone control buttons to make it more or less bassy. Everything works. And there you have it. It's got great sound. Let's see what else is on.
I don't like what they've done.
Yeah, I do too.
Perspective.
Pretty good sensitivity. And there you have it, 1939 Zenith.